Today, we would like to talk about our facility and the magic behind your delicious meals. Before any of our employees enter the kitchen, they are required to go through our protection station, where they can find face masks, sleeves, hairnets, gloves, and aprons. This is to avoid contamination of any harmful bacteria in your meals. Our kitchen is designed in a way that the workflow is comfortable for our employees so we can coordinate better to deliver a better product. Every day, we clean our kitchen twice and we do a deep weekly cleaning. It is also essential to wash with soap and sanitize our workstation between each process to also avoid cross-contamination. One of our cooking methods is through a sophisticated rotating oven, which allows all ingredients to cook evenly due to the 180-degree rotation that ejects during the cooking time. We have 2 industrial fridges where we store our ingredients separately in order to avoid cross-contamination. Once the ingredients are cooked, we store them to keep them as fresh as possible before packaging. These fridges are monitored 24 hours a day by computer. The final process is carried out by our highly technical packaging machine. This machine removes oxygen and seals the meals to avoid oxidation and keeps the freshness naturally. We measure to make sure each meals have 1 to 2% oxygen for the best results. At Meal Prep Sunday, we work hard every day to provide you with the best service. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for our weekly informative videos.